Hey everyone, welcome to another video by Pythonpool. In this video, we're gonna see a simple Python program to encrypt a PDF. Let me show you the demo of the program. I have this PDF file named 1.pdf and it's just a simple PDF file. I need to encrypt this file, so when user open this file, he or she needs to enter the password to open the file, to read the contents of the file. So let me run my Python script and let me show you the demo. Once you run this program, it will ask you which name of the PDF you want to encrypt. I'll say, what's the name of the PDF? That is 1. I'll say 1. And my output name should be 2. And the password, let me say 12345. And moment I hit enter, it will generate another PDF on the same directory. And when I open that PDF, it will ask the password required. It requires the password to access the contents of that PDF. And once I enter the password which I just set here, once I enter the password which I just gave to the program and I submit it, you can see I can read the contents of the PDF successfully. So that's what we're gonna see in our Python program today. We'll be using PyPDF2 module. So if you don't have that module, just write pip install PyPDF2, which Py have P capital and PDF is capital. You just write that and just hit enter. It will install it for you. And when you install that module, you are good to go with this program. So let's just code on file. Let it be name as test.py and let's just get started with the hands-on. First of all, let's import PyPDF2. Okay, and let me import as P. And after importing that, I need to create an output which will read the PDF, write the PDF file. So I just call the PDF writer from this PDF file writer. So once we read our input file, we need to write it to the another output file, and then we need to encrypt that file. First of all, let's perform the reading operations. Reading the input file. Reading the input PDF file. First of all, let's perform that operation. Let's see how could we read that. First of all, what we need to enter the name of the PDF. We need to say which file you need to encrypt. First of all, let's give that. Let me make a variable, name it as input PDF, and ask the input from the user that, hey user, which file in the directory you want to encrypt. So enter your input file name. He or she will enter the name, then in the same directory in which program is, it will go and find that PDF file and just load that. And how could we load that? Let's create the stream for that. Let me name the variable as input stream, and we'll call the PDF file reader function, p.pdf file reader. Okay, and after calling, we'll be opening our file. So open what? Open the, wait, why this is happening? Open the input PDF, and just it is just a name, so I need to make it as the PDF. So let's add the extension, PDF extension here. And after opening this, what I need to do, I need to open this in the reading mode. So it will open the that PDF file which you just enter. And after opening the file, for every page in that file, I need to add those pages to the output file. So I'll be using loop for that. So extracting pages. This step is for extracting the pages. I'll run the loop over this file. So for I in range, and range from 0 to what? To input stream dot get num pages. For each page, for how many number of pages are there, we will be running our loop in that range from 0 to that range. Okay, and after I get I, what I need to do, I need to append this, I need to add this page to the output. So output.add page, and page is from input stream dot get page. And which page? The page which is coming in I. So get page which is coming in I. So if first page comes in I, it gets added to the output, and the second page similarly going on. Okay, and after that what I need to set the parameters for output file. So required params for output file. Okay, in this step we gonna set the required parameters. First of all, I need to have the name of the output file. I'll just call it name and ask the user what name he or she want to give that file. So let's give enter name of encrypted file as you want, and your user will give us the name. After the name, what I need to do, I need to create one output stream. So I'll just create an output stream variable. In this variable, I'll be opening this file. So open name.pdf, name plus .pdf, string concatenation, and I'll be opening it in writing mode. So our PDF file is ready. Now we need to encrypt that. So how are we encrypting that? First of all, we need to get the password. So I'll just keep encrypt output file. Once I add the pages, our output file is ready. Okay, and this file is just have the name which user just gave, and it is ready. It is being opened in this output stream variable. So input output encrypt output file. In this step we're gonna encrypt that file. And how we gonna do that? First of all, we ask the user for the password. So user wants, I want the password from the user. Enter password for PDF file. Once user enters the password, we're gonna call encrypt function in the output. So output has our PDF file. We're gonna call encrypt function there, and we're gonna pass password. So encrypt file with this password and use 128-bit encryption. So let's set it to be true. And after encrypting this file, what we need to do, we need to write that file in the output stream. Okay, so after encrypting this file, output.write, write the file in the output stream. And once we write this file, we need to close this output stream file. So output stream dot close. I think we are ready with this program. Let's test it. Let's run this program. Python test.py. that is my input file name is 1, and I want my name to be 3. Okay, WB is not defined. Okay, it should be in the quotes. Okay, the mode should be in the quotes. Let's hit save. Let's run our file once again. This is 1, this is 3. And password, I need to set the password as 1 2 3 4 5. I think it is done. Let's check in our directory. Yeah, there it is. Let's see if it requires the same password. Yes, so our program runs successfully. So that's it from this video. This is a Python program, a simple Python program, console based, to encrypt a PDF file from the same directory. I hope you like this video. You're having a great day ahead. Thank you.